You're welcome to my channel. Today I'll just give you a quick one on how I created this cinematic movie. It's a love story, so let's look at it. I'll show you step by step on how I created this. Okay, thank you. Let's look at the software we use. Yes, now I will show you the softwares I use to create this and the step by step we're going to take. So this is going to be a quick one, so I'll go straight to it. So the first software we used was ChatGPT, where we created the story and the prompt generation. The second software we used is an AI for it. This is where we created the images. Then we have the Vidu AI, where we converted these images to video. Then we have the Clipchamp, that's where we did the whole editing and the formatting of the movie to what you can see now. So let's go. So let's go through the story and prompt generation. So first of all, I asked ChatGPT. The whole story was created by ChatGPT. So I'll take you step by step. This is where I asked ChatGPT to generate me a love story. Step by step, it's created the steps. We created the scenes in 1, scene 2. It was advising on what to do. So these are the steps, the suggestions you give, the final touches, the cinematic titles, descriptions. So at this point, let's start. So I have to define the nature of the story I want to create, whether it's a happy one. So at this point, I told him it's a happy, based on love and real story and text narration. So I gave him the specific type of love story that I want to create. Scroll down. So this is where we have the scene 1. And the first scene, the encounter, that is for the scene 1. You can see the text on the screen. He gave me the text on the screen. The second scene 2, the first part. This is where we have the two couples walking together and laughing and sharing cup. The third was growing together. Yes, when they are holding hands, moving around. So the text on the screen will build a bond. The scene 4, the challenges they face when they have difficulty. And scene 5, the joy of today. And the scene 6, the future together. So you can see everything was generated using the ChatGPT. So you can see all the prompt that I used for the ChatGPT to create that. So I requested for the AI. I need the AI prompt for each scene. So I have to create the prompt that I will use in generating these scenes I've already created. So you see everything was done. Look at the prompt. The first encounter, a young woman, man and woman crossing roads, blah blah blah. We have this prompt for 2, prompt for 3, 4. The one where they have the challenges. So everything is from ChatGPT. He did everything. So this is the closing scene, the prompt to be used. So at this point, I wanted to make it ready to paste. So I can just copy it and then generate. And here, pay attention, I requested for the character consistency. Because sometimes with what we generated, each scene might differ. So I needed ChatGPT to generate a character consistent scene. And those prompts should be ready to generate, ready to paste. So this is where I define the man, a tall, dark skin, white. We also have the woman, light brown. Then this one where you have the scenes, each of them being embedded with the characters. So the character of scene 1 and scene 2 will take a resemblance. This is the prompt for this scene 1. So you can pause the video to get the prompt. This is also for scene 2. So you can see it here. Just know you can always pause this video to get the prompt. And also I'll post it on the description of this video so you can actually copy and paste. So all the scene 4, 5, everything, the prompt, they're all here now. So we are done with the generation of the prompt that we need for creating this love story. So I needed the music we use. So the soundtrack that I will need, I requested AI to get me the prompt that I can use to generate the perfect story soundtrack for it. So look at it, I have the prompt. Look at the prompt. So at this point, we have all the prompt that we need. So let's go to the image generation. So the software now is there's an AI for it. So log on to the website. There's an AI for it, for that. So click on generate image. So all those prompts I've already created. First of all, I've changed my aspect ratio to 16:9. So I'll just be copying all those prompts to this place. So I'll copy and paste. Just wait for a little for it to generate. Boom, we have our images generated. So you can see all the images I've generated using those prompts. Just copy and paste. So look, I generated different images and also regenerated. So I'll get the perfect look that I want. And just for your information, this there's AI for it is free and unlimited generation. You can generate as many as you want free. So look at all the images you have seen. So at this point, we have all our images ready. So look at them. So the images for each of those scenes are now ready. So just click download. You download it. So after this, next thing we have to do is to convert these images to video. So look at the video software we use for the image to video generation. That's Vidu AI. So you log on to Vidu AI. Remember, you always create your profile. So now click on image to video. Click on upload. I'll upload it here. Then describe what I want the video to do. I'll paste the prompts. All those prompts I've generated, just for it to animate it and put motion to it. So click on create. So look at it now. So we have each of these video we have 0.4 seconds each of their motions. Look down. I've generated all of them using those prompts. The same process, just also upload it, all those images you have, upload, and then click on create, and this site will just give you the video. So I'll take you down, look at the prompt I used. So look at this one, I regenerated it again with the same prompt. Here you have them. So let's just look through all the video clips that I've generated. I just want to show you all the video clip that we're going to use. Just as I said, it's the same process. Just click on upload, paste your prompt, then you have your videos. Yeah, this is the sad part. So I just want you to see all the prompts that I use in each of the scene. So scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4, the last scene 5. So you can see all the steps. Just stick around, because after this I will show you how I edited all the videos together. So I'll get into the last, which I generated it also to have different motion movements of the same image. You can see it's the same image I generated, but with small twist on the prompt, or regenerate it again. You'll have a different little slight change. So, and then this is the last one we generated. It's actually for the same one, your first meet. So this process, you download it. So now what we have to do, now we have all the images converted to video. So it's also now use Clip AI, that's the video editing. Well, so please guys, just click subscribe. At this point, we use this Clip AI to log in and then create, import your media, those videos we have created, those short videos we have created, and even the music, the soundtrack that we generated. So what will I do? I'll just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop all of them, put them one after the other, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Then the text overlay, I'll just write the text on top each and every one of them according to the same way the ChatGPT generated it. Scene 1 has its own text overlay, same with scene 2, scene 3. So you click on that plus button, you have it here. I've already arranged them, so I'll show you. So you click on the text. This is the text for scene 1. Yeah, you click on that text box and it will come out. You paste, copy and paste from the ChatGPT prompt that we generated and the text overlay that it gave us. So here you have it. So after arranging it, look at our video. So you can see so you can always pause it to check any of the steps. Just like I'll run a quick one. First of all, use ChatGPT to generate all your prompts. Then the prompt you use, there's an AI for it to convert those prompts to images, generate your images. Then we use Vidu AI to convert those images to video. And now we're using Clip AI to arrange all those videos we have created. We put our text overlay. So guys, how do you see this video? If you like it, you can always use it to generate any kind of story that you want. Be it movie, whatever, just with your ChatGPT, the same process, you can generate any type. So now we'll click export. Yeah, it's asking us to remove the gap, but I need it because at some places. So look at it now. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please click on that subscribe button. Bye.